there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your dropshipping journey. We'll be covering how to start a dropshipping business, finding suppliers. First, let's grasp the concept of dropshipping. It's a business model where you sell products without stocking inventory. Instead, you purchase items from suppliers as customers place orders. So the first thing you will need to do is to choose a niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial. Focus on your interest, market demand, and competition. A well-chosen niche sets the foundation for your business's success. Next is to identify suppliers. You must identify reliable suppliers. These are businesses that provide the products you sell. Finding trustworthy partners is essential for a smooth operation. Next is to check which suppliers your competitors use. Study your competitors. Discover which suppliers they use. It's a valuable shortcut to finding reliable sources and understanding market dynamics. Next is you need to ask the suppliers questions. Don't hesitate to ask potential suppliers questions. Inquire about their product range, pricing, shipping options, and return policies. Communication is key to a successful partnership. Another one is to choose the best-selling products. Identify the products with high demand and good profit margins. These are your best-selling items. Focus on them to maximize your revenue. Next is to create an account with suppliers. Now, this is the last step in finding suppliers. Once you've found suitable suppliers, create accounts with them. This step ensures you can access their product listings, prices, and shipping details. So, in conclusion, starting a dropshipping business hinges on finding reliable suppliers. Remember to thoroughly research, ask questions, and choose the best products. Building strong partnerships with your suppliers is the key to your dropshipping success. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to start a dropshipping business, finding suppliers. See you on my next video.